welcome back. This year is the 150th birthday of the Dr. Thomas Hunt Morgan, the University of Kentucky's Department of Biology's most famous graduate and Lexington's Nobel laureate. Originally interested in development, regeneration, and embryology, Morgan's most well known for his discovery of sex-linked inheritance and identity of the chromosome as the location for our genes. So here to tell us about a month of T.H. Morgan are Dr. Jennifer Simpkin and Dr. Doug Harrison, both with the Department of Biology at UK. And thank you guys so much for coming by.
Thank you.
Well, you guys have dedicated this whole month to T.H. Morgan, and of course people might know the Hunt Morgan name if they're from Lexington. We've got the family house downtown, and I believe he's the brother of the general. Is that right?
He's the nephew.
Nephew. Okay, I'm trying to get all my Hunt Morgans in order.
Right.
But you may know that the general Hunt Morgan, he was the nephew of him. So got deep ties to our area. Tell us a little bit more about what he was able to do.
So obviously he was a student at the University of Kentucky, graduated in 1886.
Cool.
And got his master's degree as well at UK. He went on to Johns Hopkins University and then later had faculty positions and established his own labs at Bryn Mawr University, at Columbia University, and at Caltech. And as you mentioned, he started off working on developmental biology and regeneration, and then switched his focus a little bit to really trying to understand genetics,
right.
Understand the basis of genes, and understand how that information was transmitted to offspring. And so his work was really pioneering, really helped to understand the concepts of how genes are inherited. And for that, he got the Nobel Prize in 1933.
Yeah, I mean, that long ago, it was really the birth of genetics at that time.
Absolutely.
And so the things that he was discovering and researching were really kind of cutting edge at the time.
It absolutely was, and laid the foundation for what we do and what we know today.
Wonderful. Well, I think the celebration's already started this week, right, Jennifer? But we've got all of these events coming up over the next month to celebrate him. So what are some of the things that people can expect to see?
Well, there's going to be a big one this Saturday, Bio Bonanza, where we're inviting high school and middle school students and their families out to the university to see all of the research that's being done there.
Awesome.
So we'll have interactive booths, and you can see some local insects, some local plants. You'll get to interact with the life-size model of the human heart.
Ooh.
And see a lot of the research that we're doing and talk to a lot of the scientists that do work that T.H. Morgan used to do back in the day.
Very cool. So it sounds like it's a really good opportunity if you have kids who are interested in science and more specifically biology, or just working in a lab or science in general, that type of field in their future. They can come in, get a more hands-on look, and really see what it's like to go behind the scenes, because a lot of us have not seen a working lab where all of these great discoveries are made day in and day out. So it sounds like a great opportunity for anyone with an interest in science.
That's right, and we'll have some high school students that currently do work at UK there, so you can talk to some students your own age and see what it's like to be a scientist for a day.
Very cool, awesome. And there's like a whole rundown of different lectures and events that everyone's invited to, right?
Absolutely. So everything is free and open to the public. We have one of the highlights will be our 8th annual Thomas Hunt Morgan lecture.
Okay.
And we've had prominent speakers over the last 8 years who have given lectures at UK about their work, both scientific lectures and lectures that are open to the public and encouraged for the public. This year we'll have Sean Carroll, who is a prominent evolutionary biologist, and he's a wonderful speaker. I highly encourage folks to come to that next Monday. There's more information on our website, by the way, at biology.uky.edu. You can get links to the entire schedule of events that we have coming up. Dr. Carroll's very approachable. He's written a number of books that are for the public about research and about science, and it's going to be a fascinating lecture.
Great. So all you nerds out there who really like digging into this type of stuff and getting kind of up to speed on what research is being done right now and discoveries that are being made, this is a great opportunity to come and get your science brain working and really get to kind of network with people who have similar interests as well. And to appreciate all the work going on at UK, what you guys do at the biology department there. So again, where's the best place to get the rundown of events? Just on the website?
Absolutely. So the easy link is biology.uky.edu. and the whole list is available at that site.
You'll see it. Okay, so just search for the T.H. Morgan 150th birthday celebration. And thank you guys so much for coming in and for keeping an interest in science and opening it up to the public, because I think that there's just amazing things that are happening right now that people just may not be aware of, and amazing discoveries that have been made right here in Kentucky. So thank you guys so much.
Thank you
for having us.
Of course. All right, well, when we return, we're going to have your top talkers of the day, so keep it right here.